Good day, everyone. So I'm here. I'm Jason Hernando, third year student, and this time I will discuss how to find slope using the limit practice and sketch the diagram of the equation and the segment of the conjugate line given with f of x equals x squared minus 1x with the point 1 and 5. Let's start. So, to get our x squared minus 4x, we will use this formula, which is m x sub 1 f of x equals limit delta x approaches to 0 over f x sub 1 plus delta x minus f sub 1 over delta x. So, using this formula, we can get our x squared minus 4x. So, take note that this will be our x and this will be our x squared minus 4x. So, since our given is x squared minus 4x, we can copy the x squared. So, x sub 1 plus delta x squared minus 4, copy x sub 1 plus delta x minus x squared minus 4x over delta x. So next step you will factor this. So x sub 1 x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared. So if you factor this will be the answer. And copy minus 4, so you will substitute that, and you will distribute that, so distribute, so it will be 4x sub 1 plus 4 delta x. So distribute the negative, so it will be negative x squared. So since negative is negative, it will be positive. So x squared sub 1 plus 4x. So sorry, I forgot the sub 1. So that will be the how to factor the first step over delta x. So next step you will cancel out the same term. So as you can see, here are similar term, which is the x squared sub 1 and the 4x sub 1. So the remaining will be 2x sub 1 and delta x plus delta x squared minus 4 delta x over delta x. So since we have to get our answer, you will out this, so like this. So delta x, open parentheses, so 2x sub 1 delta x squared minus 4x. So you can cancel out the delta x. So this will be cancel out. cancel out. So cancel out the ax squared delta x. So cancel and cancel. So the remaining will be 2x squared delta x plus 4. So that will be the remaining. So that will not end there. So here. So let's erase this. So next step we will do, this will be the answer. That's 4. So since you get your m, which is 2x sub 1 plus 4, you can submit the m, which is our x sub 1 is 1 and our y1 is 5. So this will be m, which is 1 equals 2 and 1 plus 4. So your m will be 2 times 1 equals 2 plus 4. So your m will be m1 is 6. So your m1 equals 6. So this is your m. So to get the y, the formula is like this. So y sub 1 equals x sub 1. So that will be the formula to get the y. So let's get. So since our y sub 1 is 5, so you can copy, and equals our m 6, copy x, since our x sub 1 is 1, so copy. Y minus 5 equals, distribute 6s minus 6. So since it's negative, so you can transfer it. So it will be negative 6 plus 5. So 6x plus y. So I just want to transfer it in the next. So next we will do, since negative 6 plus 1 is equals to 1, equals 6x plus y. So since we need to get the y, so you can, so it will be y equals 6x plus y. So minus 1. So that's your, like this, x minus 1, sorry. So that will be your y. So your y is 6x minus 1. So that's your y. So next we will get our vertex. So the formula of our vertex is this. Vertex h of key, comma and key, and then equals negative 2b a comma 4 ec minus b squared over 4a. So that will be the formula to how to get our vertex. So So first you will do, we will sketch. So since our given problem is x squared minus 4x, we can sketch. So first we will do is y, x squared minus 4x. Since our formula is, you can take the base ex plus bx plus c. So this will one of the formula again to get our y. So this will be x squared plus 4x. So to get our graph, we need to find where is A and where is B and C. So since we get the answer, this will be our A is 1, our B is 4, since 4x, so that's why our B is 4 and our C is 0. So using this formula, we can get our vertex. So negative 2 over B, which is 4, and our A is 1, and our copy 4, since our A is 1 and our C is 0, minus 4 squared over 4, 1. So, since negative 2 over 4, so run like this. So negative 2 over 4 times 1 is equals to 4, and 4 times 1 is equals to 4. So copy 0 minus 4 times 4 is 16. So 4 times 1 over, so this will be 4. So this time negative 2 over 4 is equals to negative 2, and 4 times 0 is 0, so this will be negative 16. So negative 16 minus negative 16 over 4 is divide, so this will be negative 4. So this will be your vertex, negative 2 and negative 4. So you can get your graph. So our next step is to get the graph. Since our vertex is negative 2 minus 4, we can get our graph. So x, y. So since this is our vertex, we can use this negative 2, and our y will be negative 4, and negative 1 and 0 and negative 3 and negative 4. So to get this, to get our y, we can use our formula, which is x squared minus 4x. So x squared minus 4x. 4x. So to get our y, you only need to copy what is your x. So your x is negative 1 x squared minus 4. Since this x, so you can replace it in negative 1. So the answer will be negative 1 square root of 2 minus 4 times negative 1. That will be negative 3. Since it's 0, so the whole answer will be 0. So since same thing you do. So you replace the negative 1 to 3, so it will be negative 3 and negative 3. So if you times that, the answer will be negative 3. And also, if you replace that, the answer will be 0. So now that we see that our vertex are okay, we can use our graph. So let's proceed here in our graph. Since our vertex is negative 2 and negative 4, so this will be negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, negative 2, negative 3, 4. So to get our graph, since you see that's negative 2 and negative 4, so this will be our x. So your x, so as you can see, so negative 2, and your y is negative 4. So you can get so you can point out here. And then since negative 1, negative 3, so you can point out here. And also 0, since your x is 0 and your y is 0, so here. And also, as you can see, negative 3, your x, and your y is negative 3. So you can put your here. And then also, last is negative 4. Negative 4 and 0. So since your y is 0 and your x is negative 4, so you can put here. So your graph, so to get our tangent line, you need to do this first. Mark, mental time is not working. So for now, we get our graph. So your tangent line, since tangent line is where the place is been one line, so this will be the negative 3. So this is your tangent line will be here. This will be since our tangent line is y equals 6 plus y minus 1, and our vertex is negative 2, negative 2 and 4. So here, 2 and 4. So that's how we can use, and then we can get our slope and our tangent line. So thank you so much for listening. I hope that you understand how to use or how to get the slope and your process of the tangent line. So thank you so much for listening, and God bless.